Alright, I will show you how to install Ironpants onto your BlackBerry device. First, open your browser and go to sideloadblackberry.com. And from here, we're going to look for the Ironpants icon. Click on it. And then look for the download link. From here, hit the download button. And save the file. I already downloaded a copy of the game earlier, so we don't have to wait for the download to finish. So I'm just going to open the earlier version. Now hit install. And now you're going to have to enable allow app installation. So we're going to go to settings and just turn that on. Now go back and hit install. Accept. And now we just need to wait till the game is done installing. So it's done. Let's head to our home page and let's look at the game now. So here we have Ironpants, and I'm going to test it out. There we go, Ironpants for your BlackBerry.